What's up guys? Today's video is on the best robot vacuum for pet hair. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell, so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Roborock S8 Plus Robot Vacuum. One of the accurate robot vacuum we've evaluated is the Roborock S8 Plus. It's at the top of Roborock's range of robot vacuums and comes loaded with features. It has a reactive 3D hazard detection feature which allows it to identify and avoid obstacles by together an optical sensor that is front-facing, which means you don't need to warrant that your home is free of anything like socks and slippers on the ground prior to running it. It's S8 Plus model with an auto-emptying docking station. It collects the dust from the dust bin to an external dirt bag within its charging dock, which means it doesn't have the need to doubt whether you can empty it each time it is running. The vacuum is incredibly effective in taking care of pet hair on many different surfaces. Number 2. Roborock Q5 Plus Robot Vacuum. If you're in search of an automatic vacuum that has less expense to purchase, the Roborock Q5 Plus is an excellent option. The Plus version of the Q5 is equipped with an auto-emptying base station for an affordable cost as compared to Roborock S8 Plus. Roborock S8 Plus, however, it isn't equipped with the more expensive model's ultrasonic mopping system as well as real-time hazard prevention features. However, it manages to include the same automated features, such as multi-floor mapping capabilities and a smart recognition feature that can automatically identify which map it's working on. It also lets you view and alter the 3D model of your home once it's created, and label specific rooms, and even send vacuums wherever you'd prefer together the pin and go function. It's true that, as with the S8 model, it does not do a great job protecting against fine allergens such as pet dander, which could escape through gaps in the top cover. Number 3. Wyze Robot Vacuum. The Wyze vacuum is an excellent choice to consider if you're searching for the desirable robot vacuum for cleaning pet hair at the mid-price point. In contrast to the more expensive Roborock Q5 Plus model, it doesn't have a self-emptying docking station, which means you have to empty the dust bin manually at the conclusion of each cleaning session since the inside dirt compartment is rather tiny. It's, however, similar to that more pricey Roborock for removing pet hair on flooring and on carpets. The companion app offers the same features as Roborock. That includes the ability to map diverse floors as well as room labeling and areas that are not allowed to be in. It does an excellent job of preventing the entry of dust mites and other allergens that are fine like pet dander. Additionally, it is extremely quiet, which is great for pets that are sensitive to loud sounds. It is also possible to consider using the iRobot Roomba J7, an alternative that comes with an auto-emptying base station. However, it's important to note that this item is expensive. Number 4. Eureka Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking to invest minimum amount on a vacuum cleaner to remove pet hair, think about an Eureka Groove. In contrast to its counterpart, the Wyze Robot Vacuum, it is a very basic random pathing navigational system, but it doesn't have room mapping capabilities, which means it's not able to assign it to particular areas or establish no-go zones. It's not particularly efficient in terms of time, as there is enough time wasted when the vacuum is covering the same area repeatedly. It's nearly as efficient as the more expensive models in taking care of pet hair on different types of surfaces such as hardwood floors to high-pile carpets. Although its bristled roller can be more difficult to remove as opposed to the rollers made of rubber of higher-end models, such as the Roborock S8 Plus, S8, it can easily get rid of any hair that becomes more difficult to remove. Number 5. Echovox Debot X2 Combo. This is the exact device that's in my living room currently and has turned my life into one where I attempt to weave vacuums into conversations with friends so that I can have a conversation about it. And it's true that I have enjoying parties, so what's the question? It's truly an absolute perfect of both worlds. Or to put it in a more precise way, it's the perfect of three that includes a robot vacuum, a robotic mop, and an electric stick vacuum that can also be converted into an handheld vacuum. It's not just that the Echovox Debot X2 combo masterfully manage each of them, however, it also exceeded my expectations on all fronts. This Echovox Debot X2 is the most expensive option of our selection. It can also feel as a luxury, rather than the necessity of cleaning, and that's the reason we've awarded it a perfect overall, runner-up label. However, once the sticker shock wears off, it's important to know that you're getting approximately the closest to complete service floor care as we've ever seen. It's not perfect, but I would not suggest it if you're not tech savvy. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.